Were you invited to a super fancy holiday party and they asked you to bring an appetizer? Yeah, me neither. So today I'm going to show you how to make a deliciously flaky and cheesy appetizer you can enjoy on your own, because your buddy got invited to that super fancy holiday party without you. Must be nice.
Leo cooks things, I cook things.
Let's get to it. We're gonna start with a spicy little jam. Dr. Love. I'm gonna chop up a jalapeno. We're gonna remove the seeds from the jalapeno. Little tiny dice of jalapeno. The gloves are optional, it's just in case of you don't wanna touch your pee-pee after this. We're gonna put that in a bowl. Whoop. And then I'm gonna do about 2 tablespoons of Smucker's blueberry jam. Smuck on that, 2 tablespoons. Now mix that all up. Little chunks of jalapeno in there. And then you're left with a little spicy jam. Now we're gonna cut up some Brie. If I can open it, we're gonna cut up some Brie. We can all Brie easy now. Now we're gonna chop up our Brie. If this cheese could sing, it would be called Britney Spears. Cheesy jokes. Cheesy jokes. Time to get flaky. Where is the opening of this? There's the opening. Phyllo dough. We're gonna lay down our phyllo dough. Get a good phyllo for it. Gonna lay down some prosciutto. You can use as much or as little prosciutto as you want, but I like to use a lot because I love prosciutto. And then some prosciutto for me. Oh, no. Now we're gonna put down our Brie. I got this idea from Food with Bare Hands. Check out their channel, they're awesome. Now we're gonna put on our jalapeno jam. Yeah, yes we are. Jalapeno business. Now we're gonna crush up some pecans on this bad boy. You wanna get nuts? Let's get nuts. Now we're gonna do a little drizzle of hot honey. If you wanna know how to make this, there's a link in the description below. Somewhere. Now we're gonna roll this bad boy up. Like that. Perfect. Put the extra scraps of phyllo in your wallet. Makes you feel rich. Makes you feel real rich. Now we're gonna cut it into like little sushi things. Putting that in a muffin tin. And then you're left with these. Now I'm gonna put these in a 350-degree oven for about 40 minutes. Chop up your chives as a garnish. And after about 40-45 minutes, you're left with these. To finish these off, we're gonna drizzle them with a little bit of hot honey. Then we're gonna top them with some crushed pecans. And we're gonna finish it up with some chives. Now let's look at the cinematic stuff. Time to eat. Oh. That's crunchy. Oh yeah. A little jelly with prosciutto. Bye friends. These are all mine.